This is CAD Methods. This is Lab 3.1, Part 2, Exercise 1111 on page 453. Now, this goes pretty quick. It wants us to reference one of the other exercises, and you can see I'm just continuing on. And I suppose one of these is probably the exercise it's referencing, but I'm just going to come over here and start a new one, and I'm going to say create some multi-line text and change it to an architectural style. So if you remember early on, if you're continuing on, we set up all these styles. So I type style and I can see my style manager, and I have all these styles. So cancel. So in there, you've probably got this one right here set as current. At least I did a minute ago. So this one's probably the current style. And I'm just going to close that. And I'm going to type some text. So I'm going to cheat a little bit. I just went to the internet and found a text generator. And I'm just going to copy all that text right there, just so I have something to work with. Get rid of that. I come over here to multi-line text. And I've got my snap set on. It says create, resize your text box to 3. So I'm going to go, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to drag it down and I'll paste my text. So that's 4 inches. It's a 4-inch text box. So if I just double click it or type DD edit, you can grab it on the ends and resize it to whatever you need it to be. And that'll work good. So there's my text. So then set it to architecture. So I select it, come over here. If you don't have this box, this properties box, and it's just not there, just type properties and it will come up. And select my text, select my architectural style, and you can see the font just changed. Now, select a 1-inch indent and a 1/2-inch paragraph indent. So, DD edit, or you can double click on the text. And there's my indent. I'm going to say 1 inch. And here's my, so if I tab, you see my indent. I come right here, I can set my paragraph indent, tab over for my indent. And that's that. Then select some bold and italics and so double click it, select all of it, bold, italics, and then set the height to 1 inch with a justification on the right. So again, select it, go to your properties, select a justification at the right. You can see it shifted to the right, and set the height to 0.1. You can see it got a little smaller. And then save that as Lab 1111. And that was another quick lab.